Right guys, I got my tool for my little ring here. Let's put it together. What is up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Sweets in a Boat. Today I'm a little stressed out. Time is running out. Got to put my boat into the water soon. I got a lot of things to do. Finalize my bellows and then put my Sterndrive on. And then also start working on some other little things to get the boat ready for the water. So I don't know what I'm going to say about this video. It's a little bit of everything, and let's go. Alright guys, so I have painted the bottom as you've seen, and this did some miscellaneous stuff on the boat. Finding out that I will have a really problem polishing the boat because I'm running out of time, which is too bad because it really needs a good rubbing and a good polish. So that's too bad, but my glass is now cut and hardened. I'm gonna go and pick that up and also pick up some other supplies to put that together and start finalizing and get ready to put the boat in the water. So let's do that. Right guys, got my new glass here and got my frame. Now just put them together and let's see how that goes. guys, today's the day. I'm gonna put the boat in the water, and I am super nervous. This is not really pleasant experience. You start thinking about what you've done, if you missed something, and so on. And it's gonna be put in by a crane, a mobile crane. So that's pretty exciting. So let's see what happens. What is up, guys? Finally in the water. It's so stressful. It's super nice to be out in the water with the boat, and hopefully everything will be working fine. I'm gonna drive it to my spot. I'm passing the beautiful little town of Vaxholm, a really historic place, as you can see on the scenery and everything. And behind me, right over there, is it's an old fortification. I was really hoping to be like read up on its history or something like that, and have a lot of cool things to say about it. But you know, I'm sorry, guys, I haven't done that. I haven't done my homework on that one. What I do know is that they decommissioned it because they fired modern for that time. I don't know when this was. I can check it out, you know, if you want to. But they fired some modern artillery on it and found that the walls weren't strong enough. So they decommissioned it because of that, because it wasn't able to defend itself in war. But it's really been an important piece of fortification for the defense of Stockholm, because this is one of the few actual inlets. I think there are only 3 actual inlets from the ocean to Stockholm, with decent depth and everything to be able to accommodate warships and so on. It's really been important in the defense of Stockholm. So I mean, yeah, that's all I know about that one. But I can check it out more if you want in the comments or something like that, or you can just, you know, check it out by yourself on the internet, something like that. I'm sorry about that. This is a boat channel, not a history channel, but I can sneak it in every once in a while. No worry about that. So. All right, so I think I made it more than halfway now to my spot. Doing 6 knots right now, and just gonna keep on going. That's it for this episode. It was super nice to have you on my boat for the first trip of the season. Please subscribe, hit that notification so you don't miss out on any future videos, and I'll see you in the next one.